We're excited about a new program we have coming out this year. We have take-home packs available for children of various ages. Get Ready to Read is designed for children ages 2 to 5. They are early literacy activities that you can do at home with your children. We're also excited to be partnering with PingWhack to provide maker packs. These have everything that a child ages 5 and up needs to put together a simple structure or project that explores concepts in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. In this video, I'm going to show you what's in the Get Ready to Read pack. Watch later for another video in which we'll put together the maker pack. In the January Get Ready to Read pack, you'll receive an instruction sheet, a page of skaters to cut out, and some writing cards. These have lines and strokes that kids need to develop to master writing skills. You'll also receive an early literacy calendar. It has daily activities that you can do at home with your child. On the back, there's some book suggestions and rhymes. We'll have these available every month. If you aren't able to get to a branch in time to get a pack, we will have these available, and you can also download them from the kids section of our webpage. You'll also receive in your kit a packet of salt and a nice chubby paintbrush for children. If you're putting this together at home, I would suggest you look for something with a thicker handle. A thin handle isn't really easy to grasp if you've got little fingers. So what are you going to do with all this? This concept is called a sand tray or a salt table. It's used in a lot of nursery schools and kindergarten classes. Find a good tray or container. I've got a cookie sheet here. You're going to take your bag of salt and dump it into your tray like so. Then give it, let me just tilt this down so you can see better. How's that? Give it a shake so that it's all evened out. You might need to take some salt from home and add it in, depending on the size of your container, just so that the whole surface is covered in nice white sand. Give it a good shake so it's nice and even. Another idea for a tray or a container is to use something with a lid. Then when your child isn't doing the activity, they can put their paintbrush in here, you can close it up, and it's nice and safe out of harm's way. Then pick a skater from your page of skaters and cut them out along the dotted line. If someone is learning scissor skills, this is a fun activity to do. Maybe they need a little bit of help. So cut out your skater, and then you're going to take your brush and fold the skater along the side of the brush, just so it looks like the skates are just on top of the brush like that, and we're just going to tape that down. So I have my skater taped on to my brush, I have my skating pond all ready, and I have my writing cards set out. I folded the cards in half so they sit up nice like a tent. And I'm going to take my skater for a little skate. I'm going to look at the different lines, squiggles, and shapes on each card, and I'm going to see if my skater can do the same thing. We're not talking about letters here, we're just looking at lines, squiggles, and shapes. And I'll see if my skater can skate the same way as the writing card. When my skater is finished their turn, I'm just going to give my tray a little shake, and my skating pond's all ready for another try. Maybe I'll try this one next. This is meant to be a fun, simple, no-stress activity for you to do with your child. Give it a try a few times a week. Don't forget about the early literacy calendar. Prop this in a handy spot like a fridge or a bulletin board and see if you can do a few of the activities every week. The take-home packs are ready for pickup now at your local branch. Supplies are limited, so make sure to drop by soon. During the provincial lockdown, all Kawartha Lakes Public Library branches are open for pickup service.